everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. So you might be wondering, Miss Shirley, are we going to cook today? And the answer is not exactly. So we're going to be making a couple of different treats for my guinea pigs while I introduce you to them, and I think they might even make a special guest appearance on camera as well. So if you would like to learn more about my guinea pigs and how to take care of them, keep on watching. Okay friends, so I've already done the first two steps. Step one being washing my hands. My hands are nice and clean. And prepping my vegetables. So the vegetables that I have prepared are, I have lettuce. So I have green leaf lettuce, red leaf lettuce. I have a little bit of radicchio. And over here I have my carrots that are sliced up into different sizes. And then I also have my red bell pepper. And I have some sliced up cucumber and some of the cucumbers that have been hollowed out. So what we're going to be making today is vegetable sushi for my guinea pigs. So I thought this would be a great way to answer the question, what do my guinea pigs eat? And the answer is, number one, and first and foremost, they eat a lot of hay, a lot of Timothy hay. Then they eat about half a cup of vegetables, half a cup in the morning, and then half a cup at night. And the vegetables that they eat are lettuce, cucumber, bell peppers, and sometimes they might have a carrot as a treat. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on assembling the sushi. Pigs eat some lettuce, and they eat some cucumbers because these are high in water, and they won't hurt their tummies because foods like cabbage, which is also high in water, would hurt their tummy. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of lettuce in each one. We're making four sushis today because I have 4 guinea pigs. I have Cooper.
Hi everyone, I'm Cooper. It sure is tough being a piggy. I eat, play, and nap all day. It takes a lot of work to be as cute as me. My favorite food is lettuce. It's delicious. Like most guinea pigs, I really dislike sudden and loud sounds. Loud sounds scare me. Us guinea pigs use our ears to listen for any predators in the wild so that we know when to run away and hide for safety. Since my siblings, Mommy and I, do not live in the wild, we mainly use our ears to listen for when the refrigerator opens. When the fridge opens, we all gather to the front of the cage and we make sounds like this. This is called weaking. Weaking is the sound we make when we are excited and hungry. Sometimes I weak so loud that I even scare myself. Whoopsie!
I have Pippin.
Hello, I'm Pippin. I'm Cooper and Truffle's brother. Even though I'm the smallest of the guinea pigs, I am the most demanding. I like to rumble strut. Rumble strutting is when guinea pigs make a low purr which tells other piggies that they need space. Rumble strutting sounds like this. It is important that we use our words to express how we feel.
Tail.
My name is Tail. I am the mama. Cooper is my daughter and Pippin and Truffles are my sons. I love roaming around the cage, especially after it's been cleaned. Having a big cage is great for guinea pigs. A big cage gives us a lot of room to exercise. I exercise by running around the cage. Even though I'm the oldest of the guinea pigs, I am one of the healthiest because I am always active.
And I have Truffles.
Hi friends, I am Truffles. I love taking naps throughout the day. Some people think that guinea pigs are nocturnal, but they're wrong. Guinea pigs are crepuscular. This means guinea pigs are super awake from night until dawn. We are awake throughout the day and night, but we take a lot of naps in between eating, exploring, and playing with our toys. If you see a guinea pig, don't be surprised if it's napping during the day.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in some bell pepper. Bell peppers are really good for guinea pigs because they are high in vitamin C, and guinea pigs need vitamin C so that they don't get sick. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in some carrots. So carrots are a nice treat for guinea pigs, but they should not be fed to them all the time. And guinea pigs shouldn't eat too many carrots, which is why mine are chopped up into small pieces. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in a few more pieces of cucumber. And after this, we're going to go ahead and see what my guinea pigs think of the sushi. All right, so here are the 4 finished sushis. Do they look like real sushi to you? So we'll be giving these as a treat to my guinea pigs, since they do eat a lot more vegetables throughout the day. Okay, friends, so here I am joined with Pippin and Truffles. And I also have our sushi. They can definitely smell that something is up and they are ready for it. It looks like Truffles wants the sushi. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and do the sushi first. So here I have Tail and Cooper here with me, and they're also going to be test trying out the treats that we made them. Okay, so the guinea pigs love the sushi, and they're a little bit tired now, so they're gonna go ahead and take a nap. But what did we learn in today's video? We learned that guinea pigs eat lots and lots of hay, they eat pellets, and they eat vegetables. Some of the vegetables that they eat are lettuce, bell peppers, cucumber, and they might have some carrot as a treat. We also learned that guinea pigs use their ears to listen for any danger. So that's why we need to make sure that we keep a soft voice whenever we're around them, because sudden and loud sounds will scare them. We also learned that guinea pigs make really, really loud sounds like this, week, 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 when they're excited and hungry. And that's called weeking. Guinea pigs also use their voices to make a low purr, and that low purr is called a rumble strut. Rumble strutting is when guinea pigs are telling another guinea pig that they need space. We also learned that guinea pigs need lots and lots of space. So even though guinea pigs are small and around this size, they need a big cage. That big cage helps keep them active, and that will help keep them very healthy. Last but not least, we learned that guinea pigs are crepuscular animals. That means that they are most active from the nighttime all the way until about dawn. Does that mean that guinea pigs are not awake during the daytime? No, not necessarily. It just means that guinea pigs take naps throughout the day and sometimes part of the night, but they do run around a lot more from nightfall all the way up until dawn, right before the sun rises. Okay, friends, I hope you had a lot of fun watching this video. See you later. Bye!